Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about dating applications. So if you want to build a more intuitive and visually appealing dating application, then this video is for you, because today I'm going to cover that how you can build this type of dating application and make your application stand out in the whole market. So if you want to build your own application, you're thinking of building it, you have one but you want to make it more intuitive and visually appealing, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So my friends, dating applications are getting really very popular, and talking about India, then India's online dating market is really growing rapidly with 20 million users in 2020 and a 12% growth rate expected by 2025. Such a huge amount, and here these applications are really growing well. Popular applications like Hinge, Bumble and Tinder are really overall leading the market, because here they are providing intuitive design, they are making your application more visually appealing, therefore they are succeeding in this whole market. So if you want to build your own application and want to succeed and stand out in the whole market, then my friends, there's a huge opportunity in the future, because online dating market is growing day by day and the future is really amazing. So if you want to build a successful application, then you need to build your application more intuitive and visually appealing. So let me tell you now that how you can build this type of application by understanding these things one by one. First is simple and intuitive navigation. So imagine your application like an old friend which is always easy to chat with. So here your application should have a clear path guiding your users to each and everything and to across the whole application. Here, just like Hinge, if you make your application much more clear and with intuitive navigation, then it will ensure that your users get each and everything they are looking for, making the whole experience much more smoother and enjoyable. Second is high quality visuals. So high quality visuals are like a mesmerizing story. They draw your users in and make your application look more visually appealing. By adding crisp images and graphics, you are not just creating an application, but you are crafting a beautiful digital experience which your users will definitely fall in love with. Next is user-friendly profile creation. So profile creation should be as simple as introducing yourself to a friend. A user-friendly profile creation like Hinge makes it easy for your users to share their stories, and here this helps them to connect with different people who have the same interest or values as them. This makes your whole application much more interactive, intuitive and user-friendly. Finally, we have real-time matchmaking algorithm. So real-time matchmaking algorithm is like a skilled matchmaker. It perfectly analyzes your users' preferences and finds them compatible matches as they want. And here, by using advanced algorithm, you can improve this process too by improving the accuracy so that your users can find the perfect and right matches faster. So now, if you seriously want to build a successful application, feel free to connect to us. Our contact number is given in the description box, because here in our company we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and now they are generating a great amount of revenue. Plus here we are always going to be there by side of you at maybe the concept, at launching, even after the launching, about the updates, about the performance tracking. We are always going to be there for you. So if you seriously want to build a successful app, or you just want app consultancy, because here we are providing you 20 minutes free app consultancy services. So if you seriously want to build a successful application, feel free to connect to us. Our contact number is given in the description. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you.